Hello friends, now we see the problem number 30, which is also based on limits of exponential function and logarithmic function of chapter limits. The problem number 13 is limit extends to 0 in bracket 2 raised sin x minus 1 bracket close raised power 3 whole thing divided by x into tan x into log in bracket 1 plus x bracket complete. Now let's see the solution. First of all, we denote given limit as a L. So L is equal to limit extends to 0 to raise sin x minus 1 whole bracket cube upon x into tan x into log in bracket 1 plus x. Now in the numerator we have to divide and multiply by sin cube x. So the next step will be limit extends to 0 2 raised sin x minus 1 upon sin x whole bracket cube into sin cube x and whole thing divided by x into tan x into log bracket 1 plus x. Now limit extends to 0 2 raised sin x minus 1 upon sin x, so that gives us log 2 whole bracket raised 3 we write as it is into limit extends to 0 sin cube x upon x into tan x into log of 1 plus x. Now to get rule, we have to divide numerator and denominator by x cube. Is equal to log 2 the whole cube into, in the numerator we have limit extends to 0 sin x upon x whole bracket cube, and in the denominator we have limit extends to 0 x into tan x into log of 1 plus x whole thing divided by x cube, that equal to log of 2 the whole cube into, now limit extends to 0 sin x upon x, that gives 1 whole bracket cube upon, now here we cancel x from numerator and denominator and we arrange the remaining two limits. So in the denominator we write limit extends to 0 tan x upon x as a one function and into limit extends to 0 log in bracket 1 plus x upon x as a second function. So the next step will be log of 2 whole bracket cube into, now 1 cube gives 1 upon limit x tends to 0 tan x upon x, that also gives 1, and limit x tends to 0 log in bracket 1 plus x upon x, that also gives 1. So in this way we get log 2 whole bracket cube as a final answer. So this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.